Once you've completed the MFA enrollment process in the previous video and tried to log into your NHS mail, you will be brought to the following screen, letting you know that you will need to add an authentication method. Click Next and you will be presented with a few options on how you can authenticate, but you'll be looking for the I want to set up a different method in the bottom of that little window. Once clicking that, select Phone and Confirm, and you'll be asked to enter your country or region and the phone number that you wish to be called on. And below that, please ensure that the Call Me option is selected and not the text. Hit Next, and Microsoft will proceed to call you and validate that your number is correct. Once they do this, you will normally be required to press a key, normally the pound key on your mobile phone, and that will confirm the entire process. Once done, it will let you know that it's been a success and you'll be able to click Next, continue on, clicking Confirm and Next until it brings you into your email. And congratulations, you have now set up MFA